What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy and in today's video I am doing a shop with me. Now I know that I just uploaded a shop with me a couple days ago. However, this shop with me is in collaboration with my good friend Arvin Olano. Arvin and I have actually been friends on Instagram for a few months now, longer than I've done YouTube, and he was actually one of the people that highly encouraged me to start my YouTube channel, start sharing my passion for home decor and interior design. So Arvin, I am forever grateful to you. I love you. Arvin and I actually live in different states, so we thought it would be really fun to do like a virtual shop with me. Thought it would be fun to bring you guys along, share it with you guys, and that's what we did. So give this video a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos, if you like shop with me's, and also give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see Arvin and I collaborate in person in the near future. Thumbs it up because I really want to do it. We got to convince Arvin. So after this video, you guys are going to want to go over to Arvin's channel because he is going to have his shop with me up on his channel. I'll have it linked down below. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram for all of the behind the scenes, all of the fun, fashion, even more. There's so much more over on my Instagram. But without further ado, let's go shopping. Okay, and then these pieces right here totally give me Restoration Hardware vibes. These are massive, but they are stunning. You guys, you know how much I say stunning, but wow. If I had the space for this, I would definitely want to take it home. This bench right here is absolutely stunning, and I think it'd actually be so cool in like an entryway, like if you had a grand, very big entryway. Oh my gosh, with some books, maybe even a lamp. Wow. Okay, I love this piece right here. It has like the marble on top with the wood. Oh gosh, I love marble and wood mixed together. I just think it's so timeless. I actually think these are really cool for like a bedroom, like a grand entrance to a bedroom. Stunning. Those are kind of cute, those pictures. Looks a dream. Next we went to Arcadia Public Market, which is more of like a specialty home decor store, but I loved these pillows. They were a little pricey, ain't gonna lie. And I really like to go to local shops. This one's in Phoenix. It's a small like design studio, but they do have different unique pieces throughout the store that I just fell in love with. I have been wanting one of these little benches for either like an entryway or the end of our bed. This one was like 500 something, which actually isn't horrible for the size of it. If you can see, it's like behind this chest right here. It's pretty big. And then of course, dough bowl because obsessed. What inspired me the most about this shop was the mixture of tones and textures and materials. I don't know, it took my imagination to a whole new spot. They had color, but like kind of more muted color, and they had so many textured art pieces. I just was blown away. It was really hard to find good light to show you guys this lamp, but this lamp was like an art piece alone. It was so beautiful and so incredibly unique. I have been seeing these beads everywhere, but I gotta be honest, I'm super picky when it comes to them. But these ones I loved, however, the price I didn't love. As you guys know, I'm extremely picky, so there wasn't a ton that I was dying over. They did have some books and things like that, but I loved these rugs, these like vintage rugs. Oh my gosh, they were so beautiful. I just don't have a place for them. But then I spotted my little salt cellar, and if you follow me on Instagram, you already know about this, or if you watched my last video, I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. Okay, but I was smitten over this cute little figurine that I almost took home. Okay, so as you guys know, I don't buy a ton of things, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. I am a minimal shopper. I am not a minimalist by any means. However, when I go out shopping, I don't buy like a ton of things. I'm really cautious with what I buy. If you already follow me, you know this. I don't like to just buy a ton of things that I have to replace later on. So I'm extremely picky. And I always think about my future or dream home, where I would put these things, how I would use them, how long are they gonna last me, things like that. So if you watched my recent home decor haul, you would have already seen these items, but I'm sharing them again. And the first one is this little, I don't know what you would call it. It's almost like a spoon, or maybe they used it as like a mortar and pestle back in the day. I'm not really sure, but it's the primitive wood that I'm obsessed with. I have like an addiction to buying these. So I thought it would be such a good idea to put some salt in here. So I have some kosher salt in here. I actually got this from my husband because he is the cook in the house. And I thought, you know what, it'd be nice to just have something that he can grab his salt and sprinkle it, and functional and beautiful. So I got this piece that I am so obsessed with. I will also link, I'm gonna link these similar items because as you guys know, when they're vintage, they're one of a kind. So I will link similar items down below so you guys can get your hands on them. I do know I found one, it's not antique, but it's very similar, and it's an actual salt cellar. So also, the other thing is I have a couple of little spoons, but I'm looking for a little gold spoon for this salt cellar. Now, Zach and I, obviously, especially right now, we're not really having tons of friends over, things like that. But of course, we wash our hands before we cook our meal. Even if we didn't, the heat of the pan would kill any germs anyway. But don't worry, we are keeping this as clean as possible. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this like little wood riser. So again, it's that primitive wood. And I just think the options to design with this are endless. I actually thought about putting this like on my bar. I have like a bar, I'll link that video too. I did a bar styling video, like bar shelf, a bar styling video. So I have like my glasses, my little like whiskey double glasses that I could put on here, charcuterie board. I thought about putting like my water and candle that I have, you know, for a guest if they were to come over. Guys, the options are so endless for this little tray as well. So I just thought this was a no-brainer to buy. I think it's absolutely stunning. Right now I have this in my kitchen with my cookbook and my mortar and pestle on top. But the list goes on for this little guy right here, and I love it so much. It's so beautiful. Okay, you guys, and that is it. That is all I picked up. You guys all know that I am a minimal purchaser, not shopper, not minimalist by any means, but I am a minimal shopper. So I am really trying to slow it down on the primitive wood because I have a lot of it. However, when I find a good piece, I buy it. And it's kind of a lot. With vintage pieces, you want to make sure that you get them because they will match your style forever. They will match if you're boho, if you're elegant, if you are mid-century modern, if you're minimalist. Vintage lasts forever. It is so timeless. So don't sleep on vintage because it's so good. So those are the pieces that I got. I know that I showed them in my recent haul, but I wanted to show them again on this video because it was from this shopping trip that I got them. Again, go check out Arvin's video. It's gonna be linked below. And I will see you guys in a couple days with another. Bye guys.